You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this hue, this color. It's a dark red or purple brown color, so a brownish purple color, pronounced in English as puce. It comes from the French word for a flea, the insect, also from Latin. Puce is the French pronunciation, but in English, puce. Color, or color as the Americans would say, but British English and American English pronunciations of puce are similar, puce. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.